guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome back. Literally, I have not filmed in months. This fall semester has been absolutely crazy busy. I mean, it has been ridiculous. I have not been able to sit down and film so long. I have just kind of vlogged here and there, but I got some very exciting stuff in the mail today and I wanted to film with it. I am so freaking excited, like so freaking excited. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carly Bible palette back there I also want to film a video with. I just haven't gotten around to it, but I got this today and I was like, this needs to happen, like ASAP. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm very just nonchalant, hair in like this little bun, t-shirt on. We're just going to play with some makeup today. We're going to make a look. I don't know. I right now have a poll up on my Instagram for a neutral or colorful look and it's literally tied. And my stepmom was like, do a neutral look. Everybody's doing colorful looks. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll do a neutral look. That way it's, you know, more catered towards the people that see this palette and see all the bright colors and don't think they can achieve anything neutral with it. I'm here to show you that you can. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I probably will do a separate video with the mini controversy palette. That way that's like its own video. But today we're doing the big old conspiracy palette and I'm freaking pumped. So if you wanna see me use this bad boy, and I'm probably gonna do the rest of my face makeup sped up with some music, then please keep on watching. So I have gained some new subscribers since I've actually like sat down and filmed a video. So if you're new here, hi, my name's Taylor. I just figured I needed to say that because I have gained some new followers. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm just stressed out with classes. I felt like sitting down and playing with makeup today, although I have schoolwork I should be doing, but we're doing this instead. So the palette does come in like this little slide box thing. You just basically like slide it out and that's it. The packaging, they did phenomenal. I have watched all of Jeffree Star's series with Jake Paul. The first one he did with Shane, or no, the first one he did with Jeffree. I watched the TanaCon thing, like I've seen them all and I love this series. I love that they're doing kind of like the background, the makeup industry, how makeup's created, what it all entails that nobody really knows. And I think it's really, really cool and I really like this collection. So if you haven't seen it yet, which I'm sure you have, this is what the conspiracy palette looks like. Amazing packaging, let me just say, so Jeffree Star. I've literally always wanted to buy Jeffree Star products. I want the Blood Sugar, the Blue Blood, but I literally want all of his eyeshadow palettes. And I am so freaking pumped to try this. I love the packaging, like look at that. Shane's conspiracy videos are so good and so interesting to watch. So I love this. It's got like the traditional like little Jeffree Star little latches right here that kind of open it up. I mean, it is just like, wow. Look at that freaking pigment, y'all. I mean, that's what I was saying in the beginning of the video. You see this and you see, you know, the pinks, the yellows, the oranges and the greens and the blues, and you're kind of like, wow, what can I do that's like easier and more neutral? I'm here to do that because I've seen a lot of pictures and videos and stuff where it's, you know, using the hot pink, doing a cut crease and like these giant lashes, and I'm like, you know, somebody that's going to school or somebody that works a normal job, like if you want to wear a pink cut crease, y'all freaking go for it, but I can't do that. So we're gonna do something that's a lot more neutral, everyday, easier, fall-esque vibes, you know, like that Christmassy vibe since we're getting into the holidays. I almost put my garland up, but I was like, no, we gotta hold up here. Maybe if I get around to filming again, we'll do that. But isn't she a freaking beaut? I am absolutely in love with this. I love the packaging. If you don't know, this retails for $52. They basically sold out in like 30 minutes. It was ridiculous. They're supposed to be doing a restock of like everything in 2020. It takes months to make according to Jeffree, and they ran out of like one ingredient for the food video shade, which is a yellow shade, which is, I mean, like congrats to them, man. I feel like they need to be in like the Guinness Book of World Records or something for selling out so fast. So huge congrats to them. Shane definitely deserved it. Jeffree's product's always amazing. I love Jeffree Star. He's just freaking awesome. He just lets you know that like your inner self is your best self, and I love that. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I need to do the brows first. I'm probably gonna do the brows off camera. It's easy, simple. I use Anastasia brow pomade and the NYX clear brow gel to set them, and then I will maybe I can't speak today either. And I'm gonna conceal my eyes with the Tarte Shape tape them off like I normally do, and then we will come back and begin playing with some colors. Okay, eyebrows are done, eyes are primed, we got tape on, we are ready to go. If you're wondering, my ABH pomade shade that I use is just in taupe we're ready to go. So I'm just gonna zoom y'all in real quick and then we're gonna get started. So since I said in the beginning, we're gonna do something more neutral and everything. We're gonna stick with, you know, like the neutral colors, the browns, the taupees, things like that. We may incorporate some of the greens, maybe like the red and the orange. We'll just kind of see. I don't really have like a plan of what I want to do. Taking this shade right here called Tannicon. I think the shade Tannicon in here is like the perfect first brown transition shade. Wow, these are pigmented. I'm like barely tapping my brush in, and there's like, you don't get any kick up really. There's a little bit of kick up, it doesn't really bother me, but the pigment is ridiculous. So we're just gonna go in, start buffing this into the crease. I've always heard really good things about Jeffree Star eyeshadows and the formula and everything like that. I've always heard it's pretty hyped up. And like I said in the beginning, I've always wanted to try their palettes. Nothing's really scented, like there's really no scent to these either, which is nice because sometimes fragrance can be pretty overpowering. But that is a really, really nice kind of first transition shade that you can put down. Really nice kind of caramel brown shade. This shade right here called Cheese Dust. It's so funny, this is called Cheese Dust and it literally looks like Cheetos. I find that so comical. I mean, I know that's what he was after, but it's so funny. I'm basically going to take this, and I have a more pointed blending brush, and I'm going to focus this into the crease right here. So I just want a little bit more of like an orange shade to come off. So I just have to ask, is anybody else like thrown off by this time change? Because currently it is 5:04 and it's basically almost getting dark. Like, it's pretty dark outside. I like this time change because it means like winter and colder weather and Christmas, but I don't know, it like messes with me for like the first week or so and then I get used to it. But like, it's 5 o'clock and it's like my ring light is bright and it's dark outside, so it's so funny. Like, I almost feel like, okay, shower time, let's ready, you know, get ready, let's get in bed. But no, we got like 5 more hours till bedtime. I sound like a 2-year-old. Oh yeah. See, I just wanted that nice, like, subtle hint of orange in the crease. In fact, I actually do like root beer, but I am a die-hard cream soda fan. And recently, I have been on a cream soda kick. And I don't know what it is, and I don't know why. Like, I haven't had cream soda before this kick in years, like years. I'm just not a big soda drinker, but I got on this freaking cream soda kick and it is so hard for me to stop. I haven't had one today. I didn't have one. I actually haven't had one for a few days now I think about it, but I don't know what it is. Cream soda just knows the way to my heart, man. Like, I get home from school, I get my Yeti with a cream soda, cold cream soda, and it's just good. It is just good for my soul. Those are the things I look forward to now. I don't look forward to many things, but cold cream soda and a Yeti after school, that's good stuff right there. So I don't know what I want to do on the lid. That's where I'm kind of like, we'll kind of wait and see. Maybe Just a Theory. Just a Theory is kind of like a rosy brownish shade. But I want to put something else in the outer V. Like this shade right here called Not a Fact. And to kind of like add some color but keep it neutral, I figured this kind of more deepish purple would be perfect for it. It'll tie in the fall shade just a little bit. So I definitely want to give some fall vibes, and I feel like purple, orange, brown, always the way to go. The way these mattes are blending is really, really nice. They even go on so smooth. But now that we have just a little bit of that purple down, I'm going to go back in with Cheese Dust. And we're going to blend out that outer crease area just a little bit. So I'm kind of torn on what to do for the lid. Just a Theory and Sleep Paralysis like are really sticking out to me. Let me grab a brush real quick. So this is the Sleep Paralysis shade, and this is is it Just a Theory? Yeah, that is Just a Theory. This is like a gunmetal-ish, like gray, purple, and this is definitely more of like a nude, like a rosy shade, but I feel like this would be so pretty with the purple on the outside, and we definitely like intensify the purple. you're kind of getting, you know, like I said, that more neutral look, but like just like a pop of something in there. Really nice for fall, the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving and stuff like that. You know, I can always do more tutorials with this palette, and like I said, I'm going to do a tutorial by itself with the mini controversy. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I am going to try first though not wetting my brush, which is odd because I literally always wet my brush. I don't care what palette I use. I don't care if it's my tried and true ABHs. I always wet a brush, but we're just going to see. I never do this, but you know. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting some, wow, that brush picked up really good amount of product. So let's just see. Oh yeah, we definitely have some fallout. Yeah, we are getting some fallout, but I figured we would have some fallout from not wetting the brush. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my brush with some Fix Plus. I mean, the palette's bad doesn't mean the shimmers aren't good. It's just something that I've always done and I like to do. It kind of prevents and helps the fallout not happen and the shadow just to adhere to your lid better. Oh yes. Oh yeah, I am so glad I went with that shade. That is going to be so pretty with that purple. So now that that is applied, I'm going to go back in with the Not a Fact, which is that deeper purple shade. And I'm going to basically re-intensify this outer corner and kind of blend that lid shade in. I think that's where I'm gonna stop, just because I don't want to add anything else and I don't want to like mess anything up. So I think that's where I'm gonna stop for now. I'm gonna pull this off, and I think what I'm gonna do is do the rest of my face makeup on camera, but I'm gonna fast forward it and play some music. That way y'all can still see it, see what I'm doing and everything, but it's not like a chalk through or anything like that. And then we will come back when I get to the lower lash line. I'm gonna put eyelashes on and everything like that, but I'll probably do it off camera because it takes me a second. And then we will finish up the inner corner brow bone and a lower lash line. Okay, now that our face makeup is completely done, also don't worry if like you didn't see the products I use. I'll link everything down below, that way it's easier for y'all to find everything. But I'm really liking this a lot. The lashes I did use are the Ardell Double Demi Wispies, and I really like these. They're really easy to put on. I don't know, I just like them. I feel like they're the right amount of drama, and I just like them a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I did just apply the Essence Gel Black Liner to my lower lashes. And right now I'm gonna take a little bit of Not a Fact on a really tiny pencil brush and basically buff that on my lower lash line. I'm first gonna peel off this like plastic part. Like, look at that. Satisfaction. It's almost like pulling off like the first covering of an iPhone. That's what I think of. So I'm gonna take a little bit on this pencil brush and basically start pushing this on my lower lash line. Then taking like a fatter style brush, I'm actually gonna mix Tanacon and cheese dust together, and then buff this on my lower lash line to kind of like blend out the purple. Going to be up for the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my highlight brush and I'm going to basically take the two shades that I used on my face and highlight my inner corner. As well as my brow bone. And we're going to apply lips. Now, I don't know how this one's going to look. We're going to We're gonna see. This is a L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick in the shade 354 Nudist. If this isn't what I'm thinking, then we'll switch. Oh no, that'll work. This is the final look, so let me know what y'all think. What do you think of the eyes? I love it. I really like the purple with the sleep paralysis shade. I feel like it's neutral, but it's just like a little bit of something there without using, you know, the pinks, the greens, the yellows, everything like that. I really like it, and I think it's like, I'm getting fall vibes, and I like it. And you can even change the lip color. I feel like it does match a little bit with like the orange and the brown going on in the crease, but I don't know, I really like it. And you know, like I said in the beginning, don't be afraid when you look at this that like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of freaking color. Like, I'm gonna try to stop blinding y'all with this ring light. Like, don't be afraid when you look at this with the color. Like, just try to imagine something that's simple, easy, everyday. The colors are there for you to just play with spontaneously. You don't need to use them all the time. Like, try not to get worried. This is actually a really pretty palette. I had no problems with it, really, at all. And my favorite eyeshadow brand is Anastasia, and I think this may be right up to par with that for me. I really like these, so it gives me high hopes of wanting to try other Jeffree Star palettes, and I really do enjoy this. So I will be using this in future videos, as well as a mini controversy palette. I will try and link it down below. I don't even know if you can link it because it won't be in stock, but if I can't find a link, you know where to buy it. It is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You can buy it off Beautylish, and you can buy it off Morphe, and I believe you can also buy it from Morphe stores. You know, just call before you go, because I don't know if that's even a guaranteed thing if they have them in stores anymore. But let me know what you guys think below. Thank you so much for watching. I know I haven't posted and filmed in so long, but if you're still stuck around, or if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining us here. I hope to film and upload more soon. I have like a month and a half off for Christmas break, which is going to be phenomenal because I'm so freaking tired of this semester already. I'll probably do like a semester recap video, and I want to do some like pre-med videos, like tip videos and stuff like that, you know, about topics that I wish I knew a year ago or 6 months ago that I want to help people out with now. So I have a lot of ideas in the works. I just need to find the time to do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because I always post so many life updates on there whenever I'm not able to post to YouTube. I literally post there probably daily. So make sure you follow me there. It's always linked down below, and I always put like a card in the beginning of the video with it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.